Hey guys, good afternoon. Patrick Johnston, managing broker, co-owner of GoDominicanLife.com, your real estate company right here in the Dominican Republic, and of course here in Punta Papi Beach in Las Terrenas. I'm here with my good friend Alex, and we are going to introduce you to his rockstar show, Zubar, right here on the beach. You got to check it out. It's got to be a place where you could come and have the freshest of all things. What do you think?
I think that is right.
Do you think we should show them?
Yes.
Come on in. Let's have a drink. Let's have some fresh seafood. Let's go.
I love soup.
Mueve su.
Ich liebe su ceviche.
Yo amo hacer.
I love your soup. Te amo eso. J'aime soup.
Yo quiero azul.
Yo amo su.
I love you.
So, you saw that. The freshest mojitos of multi-flavors and styles. Absolutely fresh Dorado fish, mahi-mahi. What else? Shrimp grill, you name it. You know what? I'm from Canada, and everything normally is frozen. Nothing is frozen here. Fresh, fresh, fresh.
That's right. Came here to see us.
So come on down. We're going to see you here. But don't forget, anything on real estate, on my WhatsApp at 829-525-1782. I can connect you with Alex. We'll make a reservation. Let's go. See you here on the beach.